All right, we're here on the show floor with my friend Spencer Turer. What's going on, Spencer?
Oh, we're looking for some good coffee.
You said to go to the left.
Always go to the left.
Why?
Human nature, everybody always goes to the right. So the left side is going to be a shorter line. Learned that at Disney.
What we're doing here is showcasing innovation on beverages with egg. One, it's our Vietnamese egg cream coffee, which is a hot beverage. We've actually put the custard base into a siphon to make it nice and fluffy. And so it doesn't just fall to the bottom, it creates that nice layer. And then over here, we have egg boba. So it's basically flan in shape of a boba, and we're serving it with a cold brew.
Are you saying that tastes like flan?
Everything tastes like flan. You should try it, yes.
So how do you prepare this?
It starts like this. It starts like a liquid custard. What we want to do is better the demand of eggs in the industry, and one of the places that we're doing a lot of innovation is beverages. You can find the recipe on our webpage on the Eggcelerator, so you'll find the Vietnamese egg cream coffee. Basically equal parts of egg yolks and sweetened condensed milk with a little bit of vanilla extract, and then put on a siphon that has been double pressurized, and that's it.
Sweetened custarding.
Kind of interesting.
It's interesting.
Yeah. The coffee's nice and neutral. The egg cream is nice and sweet. I'm interested to play with that more. All right, so now we have boba. This is boba?
This right over here.
Ah, this is the boba. How do you make this? Are you using like a gelatin process or?
No, we use traditional flan making process, but we do it the confectioner way, so we actually mold it. So there's no hydrocolloids or gums or anything in there. The texture is coming from the egg itself.
So basically just like a flan would be made, sugar, eggs,
Basically.
and milks?
And then we mold it.
Did you get the boba bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
Eggy?
Mm-hmm. More eggy custard than flan.
Okay.
I think it's an interesting idea, but I think the flavor is lost in the coffee.
What if you did like a Vietnamese coffee with the sweetened condensed milk and
Yeah,
then put the bubbles in it?
That would work. And the nice thing about this, it should be relatively stable.
So are they looking to sell, or is that the recipe on how to make that?
They're giving the recipes away because actually I just realized they're the egg board. I was kind of wondering when he was like, yeah, we're going to give the recipes away. And I was like, what? Give the recipe? What kind of business is this? And they're going to give the recipe away. I think it's interesting to experiment with.
Could you put that in shaved ice?
Yeah, they'll go in any product you want. At least in this condition. Is there a time length that a time freshness window?
It's still TBD.
Still TBD. Okay, very
But yeah, we've been working on this concept for a while, so we're excited.
That could be a best new product.
That could definitely be a best new product. How is the bubbles on its own?
They're sweet. Yeah, they're creamy. A little custardy. They're soft. They're not as firm as the tapioca pearls that you normally get in the bubble tea.
Yeah, absolutely. Say hello. Oh my goodness.
Know that you can see me as I give you.
I can see you can.
Good. Let me start with him.